Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a tweet from Andrew Tate, a former kickboxer and social media personality who recently shared an incident that happened with his daughter at nursery. According to Andrew's tweet, his daughter got in trouble for hitting a little boy in the face with a toy car when he tried to hug her. The tweet has since garnered a lot of attention, with many people reacting to the incident. Some are sympathizing with Andrew and his daughter, while others are questioning the little girl's behavior. So, there you have it. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.